Do you know how your third molar extraction is related to your clicking TM joint? If no, then this video is for you. If you are a dentist watching this video, then you need to know what went wrong while we were extracting that third molar that lied deeply inside the bone. Hello, I am Dr. Sanyukta Srivastav. I am a TMD expert and a general dentist practicing in Gwalior. So, if you have had a recent third molar extraction, may it be upper or lower, where your mouth opening was quite wide for a considerable period of time, and now after a few days or months, you have developed a clicking TN joint, then these two things might be related. Whenever we are doing a third molar extraction, we ask the patient to open as wide as possible for a very long period of time. This prolonged mouth opening can lead to loosening of the capsular ligament. It is the ligament that holds the temporomandibular joint together. It also leads to lengthening of the ligaments that attach the disc to the condyle. The loosening of the capsular ligament and the ligaments that join the disc to the fossa and the condyle leads to more freedom of movement to the disc. The disc can now be positioned a little more anteromedially between the two bones of the articular fossa and the mandibular condyle under the influence of the superior lateral pterygoid muscles' constant anteromedial pull. The forces of function and parafunction then thin down the posterior thick band of this malpositioned disc. This starts producing a disc displacement disorder. The thinned disc gradually starts lying in a more anterior position as compared to its original position. Now, when the patient has to open wide, he has to cross the disc to do so. This produces an opening click. And when the patient has to close and return to the maximum intercuspation or his proper chewing position, the disc slips again, and that produces a closing click. The combination of an opening and a closing click produces a clicking TM joint. So now you know that opening too wide for a long period of time during a third molar extraction may lengthen the ligaments of the temporomandibular joint, displace the disc, and cause a reciprocal click and a TM joint that is now in the stage of disc dislocation with reduction. So whenever you extract a third molar from now on, be sure to ask the patient to open only as wide as is sufficient to you and allow the patient to close more frequently during the procedure. Hope this helps.